Hello and welcome to WebJek. In this video today, I will be guiding you step by step how to sign up and setting up your ClickBank affiliate account. I will use most useful process so you can start making money with ClickBank's affiliate program faster. I will go through finding and promoting products and start marketing ClickBank's affiliate products to make money as well. Creating stunning affiliate link that you can add into any of your social media page, YouTube video, or any of your website if you have, to getting commission to your bank account. So watch the video to the end to get most detail to get successful with ClickBank's affiliate income. Let's get started. Open up the search and type ClickBank affiliate. Program. This is the one you can click right here. So once you get this ClickBank affiliate network page, if you don't have account, you can click on create account. If you already have account, you can log in. But before you start, just read through as much you can do on commissions as high as 75%, get paid on time, promote automatic upsell offer, tap into advanced analytics, sign up and start earning today, develop partnership to increase your income, recurring commissions, choose the product you want to promote. So you can read through as much you can to learn more about it. So just click to create an account. Then you will come up with this page. So over here you can select your language. I have an English. Select your country, then first name, last name, full address, city, phone number, email address, everything you can do. And please provide all the details real and genuine, because you are going to deal with ClickBank. So you need everything legal. Once you click next step, you will go to finish up your banking information. So you will need to provide your bank information so your commission will go right into your bank account. Then once your account is created, approved, and you go through your account information. I already have account with ClickBank and I'm not planning to create another one. So I'm just going to log in to show you how you can create affiliate link to any product that you wish to promote on any of your social media page, YouTube video page, or if you have a website, you can do on website, but you can do without website. So I'm just going to log in. Once you log in, you will come up with this page. This is my account. So if you want to promote any products, then you click on Marketplace right here. And if you want to learn before you start, this is a knowledge base. So that's, you must read. It's better practice to read and understand what's all about. Vendor help, affiliate help, general account help, submit a request, partners offer, grow your business with our partners, some of the partners offer. If you're interested, you can just go through with everything you can do. Then they have a blog. So you are in a marketplace right here. You can select any of the category if you want to promote. To create an affiliate link, click on Marketplace. Find the category that you want to promote, like art and entertainment, ads in on TV, computers, internet, cooking, food, e-business, education, green products, health and fitness, home and garden. You can select any of them that you wish to promote, you are interested in. Okay, I will click on health and fitness. Then you have a subcategory. Addiction, beauty, dental health, dietary supplement, diet and weight loss, general meditation, men's health, mental health, nutrition, remedies, sleep and dreams, spiritual health, strength and training, women's health, yoga. I'm clicking on diet and weight loss. So once you come on this page, you can filter by popularity, average sell, initial sell, average person, average rebuild total, gravity. I'm going to select popularity. So this is the product as $38.07, and as the preferred commission up to 90% available for CVS affiliate. Contact service at this email. So if you want to check the product page, you can click right here. See? You go back. Now if you want to promote, you click on it. This is your account nickname or affiliate ID, and if you want to generate affiliate link, click on generate hop link. Before you create this hop link, if you want to add some of your affiliate ID, tracking ID, I do just sample it. WebJek. Okay, now I'm going to generate. Let's see what happened. So it happened, end of the link, I got a WebJek right here. So that is optional. So this link you can paste anywhere you would like to promote. You can paste on your YouTube video, social media page, or any of your website if you have, to getting commission to your bank account. So this way you can create as many affiliate links as many you want. So with your ClickBank affiliate account, you can select any product and create affiliate links that you can add into any of your social media page like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or any forum, anywhere there. Anyone can click and buy your ClickBank products, and you can make excellent income without having a website. If you're interested to have a website and make most effective online business model on the web, that is very fastest way to make money with ClickBank for beginners. We have already done all the hard work and developed SEO friendly turnkey ClickBank affiliate website with premium WordPress theme and plugins. In this website, we have set up ClickBank auto post plugin that can add new products into the site with very few clicks. I have provided link in description below to access that turnkey affiliate website. Also, it can be set up for schedule to add new ClickBank products. So as soon as new product comes into the ClickBank's marketplace, that added into the website automatically. All you have to do is send the traffic to website. Those site visitors browse the products. If anyone make a purchase any product through your website, you will get a commission from ClickBank. That is very quick and easy way to make money with ClickBank for beginners. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.